Hello and welcome to Side Gigs. We bring you a fresh episode of Football in Focus. Before we move into the video, we request you once again to please like the videos and subscribe to the channel so we can continue making more and more videos for you. Right, so we begin where we left in the last video, and that is the trivia, Mr. Abru.
Assalamu alaikum, Malik Saab. Thank you so much for having me. Yes, we are back again. Yes, the trivia. Last time हमने पूछा था viewers से कि in which year did Chelsea FC won FIFA Club World Cup? So उसका जवाब आ चुका है and I would like Malik Saab to please
Right, so
reveal the winner.
हाँ बिल्कुल. So Mr. Abru, the answer is once again given by our veteran, Mr. Rahim Sharif.
Oh wow,
Congratulations, Mr. Rahim, and good to see you back again on this.
Malik Saab. I think it's time for us to look back at the event which has just concluded and analyze and assess the entire game, the final of the Club World
Club
Cup
World Cup.
Championship.
The last installment of this competition. Breathtaking, but if you look at the scoreline, particularly in the first half, this was a massive landslide, if not anything less.
I mean, it was nobody expected this. Of course, PSG was the favorites, of course, and after they've dished out the
Real Madrid,
हाँ,
particularly.
Real Madrid को जिस तरह उन्होंने मारा,
So they were even
after
more.
that game.
Yes.
I mean, people were like, yeah, it could be. I mean, it won't be that close. I mean, PSG will win like anything.
Odds were in their favor. Yes.
Odds were in their favor. But the game itself, I mean, how Chelsea came out of the blocks from the word go, it was like mesmerizing for me as a neutral, as a fan of football. I was amazed to see the game started so well for Chelsea. I mean, मुझे ऐसा लगा Mariska has played a masterstroke. Mariska basically
did.
he basically came up with a plan and the team have executed the plan almost perfectionally. It was breathtaking
So,
display.
Mr. Abru,
The game was over in first half.
as we saw PSG taking on Real Madrid, Enzo Maresca actually brought the game to PSG.
Exactly.
The same manner
Yes.
in which they played against Real Madrid.
Yes.
And right from the very first touch of the ball, they were on to it like anything.
The
and
press, yes.
the pressing.
The pressing, the energy. I mean,
They played with a very high line.
highlight.
And they
And one
did
more thing
not-
which I saw, maybe the other have also seen it, that Bruno Mendes.
Yeah.
In terrific form.
Terrific form, yes.
He's an unbelievable player. Left
Unbelievable.
back. Portugal से देख लें आप इसका overall Champions League campaign.
True, and in this
It was
competition as
sensational.
well.
लेकिन how Maresca pulled something out of his
They
hat.
just blocked him.
उन्होंने टूनो मेंडिस को टारगेट किया.
They did not let him.
उसके फ्लैंक से ही अटैक हुए.
बिल्कुल.
Aerially भी. I
बिल्कुल.
mean, high balls from that particular flank, from
True.
that for that. I mean, Nuno Mendes के ही end पे high balls थी. The goalkeeper played it couple of times. और वो वहाँ it was like he was gobsmacked कि हुआ क्या है? What happened? और वहाँ उसको physical attribute या वहाँ उसको pace ने Chelsea के उसको हिलने नहीं दिया.
नहीं दिया.
और वो अपने उसके हिसाब से खेल ही नहीं पाया.
I
He had
think
an awful match.
The same goes for Fabian Ruiz and
Yes.
Ousmane Dembele.
Yes.
They had them marked, precisely, and they kept them in a box.
I think they've choked the main arteries.
The main arteries. I think the only player from PSG who actually had enough room to play was Hakimi, who managed
Ashraf
somehow.
Hakimi, I mean,
and
he's
do it.
basically
The other one who
Yes.
actually made
he
some
was the
movement
one
on the
who's
ground.
making the run on the right flank.
Yes.
I mean,
So-
constantly he was there.
So first half, they clinched the match in the very first half.
I think there was, if you have witnessed, there was a time in a first half when everything was, I mean, Chelsea was dominating, although they didn't have the ball position
Yeah.
as much as they would have liked. But there was a time when uh, Desire Doué had a chance 1v1 and he went for a cutback.
He did.
I mean, that was like a brain fade moment for me. I didn't understand.
हाँ,
He should have
he
gone
should have gone
hit
for
the
it
target.
all the way. Yes.
No matter what.
बिल्कुल.
वो moment ऐसा था, I thought कि वहां अगर PSG would have gone up front, made it 1-0, the game would have been different.
I think this is where the
That was
pressing mental effect is. He did not took the shot because he was, I think, afraid. It was on the nerve already
maybe.
that if I miss it, it will be a big thing that will be coming down on me
Yes, हो सकता
alone.
है, बिल्कुल
So
हो सकता
maybe this is one of the thing, but they made some impressive pressing. Um, how about we take a look at the
Yes.
goals and discuss them separately
है.
now.
Absolutely, yes.
So the first goal, Mr. Abro.
As I was talking, as I was briefing earlier, that the channel they've targeted, ये नूनो मेंडेस वाला जो चैनल था उन्होंने टारगेट
True.
किया. आपका पहला गोल भी वहीं से आया. Look at the bully, the body double, the bully Nuno Mendes have been through
Or
in this.
magnificence of João Pedro.
Exactly, the João Pedro. आप देखें उसने किस तरह नूनो मेंडेस को
Eminent
cater किया.
control. Oof.
The control and the in the end the second touch was again brilliant. और फिर इतनी बड़ी विंडो नहीं थी कोल पामा के पास.
बिल्कुल बहुत छोटी विंडो थी.
He didn't have enough time, लेकिन
There were
finish-
already two defenders in
the
the
placement was immaculate. I
All-
mean, nothing can describe as. I mean, it was a fabulous goal to look.
I mean, would it be too far if I say कि यार it's been ages के इतनी clinical
इतना
finish.
simple.
I mean इतनी clinical finish देखी हो जैसे
simple.
Thierry Henry, Van Nistelrooy ये करते थे. I mean they were they were just इनकी finesse होती थी इनके अंदर.
Sublime. I mean, he just needed a placement. There was
And
no, I mean, he didn't hit it hard. Just placed.
just placed
Perfectly.
gracefully.
Amazing finish.
And the same happened with the second one. This time Palmer received the ball too by himself.
Yes, and
Right.
look at he twice made a shimmy.
During
look
that,
at that shimmy.
yes.
I mean, first he
Within 5 seconds.
opened it up and he let the right wing flank person who just bypass him, who made the space for him. Then there is a shimmy, and there is another shimmy because the tackle from the defender of PSG,
Yeah.
he was adamant to commit a tackle. He let him commit the tackle first,
बिल्कुल.
and then it was an ample space for him to place the ball in the right hand.
And he did that again with the
Again,
same
a
grace.
fantastic finish. I mean, that was a replica of the first.
Bilkul.
goal. Amazing.
I mean, during the match, they were all the commentators were saying this was the coldest finish they have
Absolutely.
seen.
Cool, calm,
Cool
collected.
and calm.
मतलब उसको आप जितनी दफा देखें ना रिवाइंड करके, I mean, you'll love it.
You'll enjoy it. Yes.
Absolutely. Love it. Love it.
And then came the
The
third
third
goal after the first cooling break.
Oh,
And I think this is where the match
was a sucker
turned down.
punch.
Yes.
It was a sucker
Sucker
punch.
punch.
That was it. That was game, set, and match.
And this too was again made by
Again from the right flank.
and
It
the
came
right
from the right
flank. The last touch
And
came from Cole Palmer. Cool pass.
I mean, the pass was so casual.
And-
मैं थोड़ा सा, I mean, with due respect to all those Brazilian fans listening to it, और मुझे पीछे जाके ना ये no look passes. Ronaldinho was very much famous.
He started this. I
He started this. It was, I can't say it's a no look, but again he made it so casual.
बिल्कुल effortless लगा.
Effortless pass था उसका वो बिल्कुल casual,
Free-flowing.
free-flowing. And the finish was
Match by it. I mean,
इतना
João
ज़्यादा
Pedro.
compose of उसने सिर्फ लॉक किया.
a single first touch.
Donnarumma coming
बिल्कुल.
coming in front of him. He's a big guy.
He's a
Donnarumma
big
is.
guy, a very soft
So,
touch,
very
and
soft
first
Very
touch.
cool, calm finish. Again, fabulous.
So fabulous attack. And I think this is where PSG actually lost the match.
game was gone. Yes, it was game, match and set.
So all in all, congratulations to Chelsea for winning the Club World Cup for the second time. Now, Mr. Abru, you had something.
Yes, I have a fun fact, or ये fun fact is related to this particular competition. Chelsea have become the only club in this world to have won every single cup competition which is there to be won. So they've become the only club in this world to have won
Every club tournament.
every club competition which is there to be won. They have won it all.
Amazing. Congratulations. Right, so this brings us to the last segment of our video, and that is the trivia time.
यस ट्रिविया टाइम है और इस दफा हमने एक सवाल व्यूअर्स के लिए रखा है एन अमेजिंग ट्रिविया इट इज क्विज हमारा ये है इस दफा का कि हु इज द ऑल टाइम लीडिंग गोल स्कोरर ऑफ फीफा क्लब वर्ल्ड कप
Right, so we're talking about this competition only
वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एज अ होल
as a whole.
यस
The all-time
ऑल टाइम हाईएस्ट गोल स्कोरर ऑफ दिस Club World Cup Championship
competition.
Yes,
So we expect, more and more answers very soon on this.
absolutely yes.
Right. So before we, wrap up the video, I think it would be good, if we can give a sneak peek of when the seasons are starting. Mr. Abu.
Yes, Malik साहब ये basically mid of July से pre-season majority of the club who played in the club championship or didn't सबका ये pre-season time है.
बिल्कुल.
People will play, club will play friendlies और
Exhibition
exhibition
matches
matches खेले जाएंगे. But the main crux will start in middle of the August. Major
middle of
top five leagues on your screen. They will start from Premier League will start from 15th of August.
So would La Liga be.
So would La Liga, absolutely. और उसके साथ जो फ्रेंच लीग है that will start from 9th of August. और
Yes. और
जो
जो
बुंडेस
next
लीगा है वो आपका स्टार्ट करेगा 22nd. और जो इटालियन सीरिया है
that
this
would
will
be
start from 23rd of August. So viewers के लिए they must check the calendars of course
हाँ, तो
or
मतलब
local listings.
So this is it.
Yes.
Stay tuned. We would be looking forward to see everybody, in the next video again.
And again, a request from our side: please do like our videos and please get
Subscribe
in
to
and
the channel.
subscribe. Thank you so much.
Take
Have a
good
good
care of yourself and all the people around you.
bye
Wish
bye.
you good luck. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.